Hello guys, welcome to Solving Solutions. On today's tutorial we are going to show you how to extract the quantity of water, let's say the area covered by water in this our raster data. So in a previous tutorial we showed you how to carry out the modified normalized difference water index, and then we also add a threshold to extract areas that are having water. So let's take it to single band pseudo color equal interval, and then we make it 2. So we make the 0 to be red, and then we make the 1 which shows the presence of water to be blue, right? So this was the raster we got. So we now want to extract just the bluish region, areas where we know that are covered by water, right? Good. So you can use it for epochal study to know how much of water, maybe if there's an increase or decrease, right? Good. So we come to the processing toolbox and then we search for unique raster value. Okay, we have raster layer unique values report, and then our input will be what? The extracted water, right? So we are going to leave the other parameters as default as they are, and then we just run. So we have a report. Okay, good. So we can decide to, these are some information about the raster data. You can see 30 by 30 and then the total pixel count. We are only interested in this, so let's copy it. Good. So I've opened Excel and then I've pasted that. We are also not interested with the pixel count this time around, so we can take that out. So we need, this is others, and then this is water, right? Good, for maybe that particular year of study. So we can find the sum. When we do that, we can also find the percentage of the two land use. So we still have this. So we have the each area divided by the total. However, we need to bring in cell referencing just to lock that particular cell, and then we close our bracket multiplied by 100, right? So we now drag it down as a form of check. If we auto fill, we're also going to see 100. That shows 100%. So basically what this simply means is that we have about 36% of water and then 64% of other land use, right? Good. So we have shown you, when you have gotten to this point, maybe you've extracted the water or any other land use and then you want to quantify it. So this is one easy way to actually extract the area and then perhaps get some percentage values out of it, right? So we have shown you how to extract the water body and also to quantify it. We are going to see you on another interesting one. Until then, keep staying safe and have a fantastic time. Bye.